Today topic is past perfect tense. What is past perfect tense and usages? Past perfect tense refers to an action before certain action of the past. Okay, we may observe two types of action. One is earlier, second one is late. One see, when I reached railway station, the train had already left. Okay, here lefting is first, reached is second. Reached is second. Okay, example 2. After we had brushed our teeth, we took breakfast. Brushing is first, taking the breakfast is second. So, what do you understand? First action should be in past perfect tense. Later action should be in simple past tense. Third one. We had brushed our teeth before we took breakfast. Okay. Once see, this is conjunction when. Here conjunction after. Here conjunction before. Okay. Usage of past perfect tense is at the time of two action. One is earlier, second one is later action. Earlier action should be in past perfect tense. Later action should be in simple past tense. Okay, now let us discuss structure of past perfect tense and some of the examples according to assertive sentence and interrogative sentence. Now, structure of the past perfect tense. Subject plus had plus verb form 3 are past participle object. I had, we had, you had, they had. He had, she had, it had. For all pronouns and nouns, add is suitable agreement verb according to past perfect tense. Now, for example, I had finished the work, we had finished the work, they had finished the work, you had finished the work. Here another example, he had gone, she had gone, it had gone. For all pronouns, add is suitable according to past perfect tense. Now according to assertive and interrogative sentences. He had played affirmative sentence. He had not is negative word. He had not played in negative sentence. Had he played interrogative sentence, yes or no type question. Why had he played interrogative sentence? Start with question word or WH word. These are the examples of the past perfect tense. Thank you everyone.